What's going on, everybody? We're here traveling Costa Rica. Guys, we're down south of San Jose in an area called Pérez Zeledon. We're going to be going to a butterfly dome that's like right up there. See, I got my wristband already. Go check it out. Really cool area. We're right under the mountains of Chirripo up here. This little town here is called Canaán, where we are. You can see, look at the mountains here. Look at the mountains, and it's kind of cloud covered, but up above there is like Chirripo. It's like the highest non-volcanic mountain range in Central America, I believe is what it is. And then above, behind there, there's like national parks and stuff like that. Hey guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe on YouTube. Leave me a comment as always. Appreciate you guys comments in the comments, of course. There's a cool little place. I've been here before. There was like a little concert. They had like live music. And I think there's a cheese store right here. But that's for another day. Guys, we're going to walk up there to Casa Alegría, the butterfly dome there. But before we do, let's talk about how to get to this location. So there's Costa Rica. The nearest international airport is right there, south of Alajuela in San Jose. And to get to where we are, you'd go through San Jose to Cartago, and that can vary depending on traffic. Then you go over this hill. This is Highway 2. And we have some videos driving there. We have some videos of cool hikes along that route. It's a really nice road to drive along. It gets cold up at the top. You'll eventually end up right here in San Isidro de El General in the region of Pérez Zeledon. And then you're heading out this way along the mountains. Really nice road. And that will bring you right to this sign right here, guys. So there we are. We just walked a couple meters. There's a nice little soccer pitch right here. Now, guys, I'm a bit of a geardo, and I want to tell you guys some of the gear that I use here. So for trips like this, I bring this Anchor. It's got like 20,000 something in it. I don't know, 20,000 mega power amps or whatever. It's a big one, and it keeps my phones and cameras and everything charged up while I'm traveling here in Costa Rica. So if you're doing a trip down here, guys, and you're going for an extended period to somewhere like this, to these cool destinations, I recommend bringing something like that, just to make sure that your phone's charged up if you're going like a hike or something. And there's a lot of hikes up here. Now, guys, I'm going to mention some other videos we've done just up the road here. I don't know, 5 minutes. There's an entrance to Los Gigantes. There's huge trees. So if you guys want to see that video, I can link that up for you. And there's other stuff here, man. We've done like rivers around here and stuff. It's a cool area. So here's where you're going to be looking for. Here's the entrance to Casa Alegría. There's a little sign here. There's the website, butterflydome.org. So tourism, they got yoga, they got ice cream, gelato. There it is, man, Butterfly Sanctuary. We're going to go in. So I already paid to get in. There's some prices on the door, but it was 6,000 cologne, which is $12 American. So it's a pretty cool spot. Now, this is a little bit removed. So when I go up in these mountain spots, like the prices are a little bit more for stuff, right? Because it is, it's removed. It's, long drive to get here, right? Just from San Isidro itself, it's like an hour or something. Maybe a little bit less. So here's the site. There's my Moto BC. Look at that. Man, it's such a joke driving this thing around. It's so, it has a 110cc motor. It's just terrible. Just terrible. So here's the restaurant. We'll go walk in there. There's a butterfly dome. We'll go in there. And then there's a little kids area right here. It's pretty cool. And there's a river down behind. We're going to go walk into the river too. We're going to do a river. We're not going to walk in the river. It's like 100 meters straight drop into the river. But it's over there. We'll go walk over there. Here's the restaurant. They got gelatos. I just had casado here, guys. That, I was going to put my foot on that, and then somebody said it's a big bongo. That's pretty cool. So good casado and ice cream and stuff. You can chill. Right, super nice. Let's go check out the river. And then up here, there's like a laboratorio where they're like growing. There's Hector. Hello, bros. There's the owner, Lobo. Cool guy. Now up here, guys, it's like really natural kind of people and stuff. Things like that. Like everybody's very nature minded up in the mountains here. There's the river. zoom in down there. How far is that? I don't know. Probably 100 meters. Nice big wall. There you go. So I go in that water. Whenever I'm down in this area, I go in the water as frequently as I can because it's, man, it's just so refreshing and cold. So here's the Laboratorio. Let's check it out. I haven't been in here yet. It's kind of cool. Close the door just in case. Oh, cool. So mariposas are butterflies. Mariposorio is a butterfly dome. So if you're in Costa Rica and you see that word, there's butterfly domes all over the country. Usually in areas that are more like temperate, like where we are now. It's cool. What is all this? They're like, oh, I can't even, the glare. The glare. It's glaring. I don't want to open it and like mess anything up. Look at this. I don't know what that is. Are those seeds? Is that a, look at the size of this thing. Is that what they are? Like caterpillars. That's wild. Maybe that's caterpillar poop. I don't know, man. There's the site from the sky. So there's the dome. We're just back behind the dome right there. There's the restaurant we were just in. And there's the kids area right there. So without further ado, let's go check out the actual butterfly dome. Go in the front door, and I'll show you guys proper how to get in. So this is a cool site to just come and hang out. You know, you can spend a few hours up here just chilling, just relaxing. You can always hear the river in the background. And it's not that hot up here, I find. I actually noticed the temperature difference, guys. Like when you're going up in elevation, I can feel it. It starts getting chillier each 100 meters you go up. Okay, so here's the butterfly dome entrance. What's going on here? Okay, so day pass 6 mil, kids 5 mil, and monthly membership 10 mil. So that's cool if you're staying up here for, you know, your vacation or whatever. There's some rules. Now look at this. Wow, super cool, super cool. I mean, it's super awesome. I gotta stop saying the C word in these videos. Somebody was saying, you know, somebody's like, you can't say that, you say that too much. So let's go in here, check it out. So here we are, guys. Here's the butterfly dome. I'm gonna try to get some cool shots of butterflies. Oh, here's a guy doing that very thing right now. Oh, somebody's coming behind me. Oh, there's some fishies. Nice. There's other fishies in there too. There's one. So places like this are kind of like therapeutic for me, I guess. Forces me to just relax, you know. I have ASHD, attention selective hyperactive disorder. That means I kind of just don't pay attention to things that I don't want to. And I hear about it all the time. You know, listen. Well, I got ASHD. So when I come to a place like this, I'm just like, you know, there's butterflies flying around. I'm like, hey, looking at them all, look at him. I feel like a cat just chasing all the butterflies around, trying to get cool videos. Oh, here's some cool red ones. See, my case in point. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Dude, they're like active right now. They're active. They're not really landing. I just did a video for the ambient channel. That's another channel I have, guys. If you want the link to that video, it's where I don't talk. If you find I say cool too much, or like you don't think I'm funny, you don't agree with my diagnosis, you watch those videos too. Oh, look at this one. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Here, let's zoom in and see if we can get him. Oh, okay, there you go, there you go. That's a cool one. I mean, dude, that was super dope. It's tough to like manage walking and not running into things or people, and framing the camera properly, and narrating. I think as we grow the channel, I'm gonna have to hire a crew, like a minder, you know, to be watching. One person with the film, audio, people, everything. Man, it'll be a full production. See me on TV. Here's some white, little tiny white ones. I'm not even gonna try to zoom in on these guys because they're just dicey. I think they're like breeding or something. It's the only time I move that fast. Let's try to zoom in. Yeah. Oh, here's okay. There's one. Let's zoom in on this guy. Where's he at? Okay, there he is. Got him. Got him. So this guy is like black and he's got white, yellowy kind of stripes. Oh, that's a cool shot. Look at that. That's Phenomsky. It's making upwards here now. What else we got? We got a little pond. Excelente. Where else we go? Oh, bananas. Dude, it's on like Donkey Kong right there. What, I just saw a really interestingly colored butterfly over here. I was going to say it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, okay. Found him. Found him. Got him. Got. Oh, come on. Dude, it's hard. It's hard being a nature photographer, videographer. You know? So these ones are chilling. These guys chill so hard. I got good videos of them just before, and every time I go to a butterfly dome, these guys are just, they get so drunk off the food. They don't even care that I'm so close to them. Look at him. Look at him. He's just like, I wonder if they get intoxicated by whatever they're drinking. Because he has just, all the other butterflies like spasm, right? They're like, get away from me. Those guys are just like, maybe they're smarter or maybe they're drunk or I don't know. There's a cool one, red tip. Maybe you can see him flying away. I'm going to go try to, we'll walk over there. Actually, yeah, we could go up this path right here. That's cool. How long have we been going? 12 minutes. That's pretty good. Oh, look at this over here. Okay, cool. All right. Here we go. So there's a orange one there. And you can see way off in the distance, there's two more orange ones chilling. These ones are super photogenic, eh? They are super. They're like supermodels of the butterfly industry. Oh, here's another one. Look at him. See how close we can get. Oh, hey, there's a dragonfly right there. A blue dragonfly. I almost headbutted that dragonfly. That's my signature move, though. Okay. We've got a situation here. We got air-to-air combat going on between a really cool red one that I haven't filmed yet and an orange one. Look at them. These, oh, dude, I think they're fighting. It's a butterfly fight. Yeah, right. Okay, that one, I want to get a video of that one because they are just the most elusive ones in here. There. Okay, there. Okay. That's, I think, as good as it's going to get with this guy. Is that like a female version of the orange one? Because there's an orange one right there. So maybe they're not fighting. Maybe they're just doing it. I don't know. This is a cool little spot. It's a set. See, there's another one of those guys. What else is in here? A pond. A pond. And then I'm gonna walk up the stairs here. Oh, there's some more fishies in there. Where are you going? Yeah. Fishies and butterflies. So you can go up these stairs here and there's a sitting area. And when I did the ambient video, when I walked up here, it was just like, there was tons of those bright blue butterflies. It was really cool. So I'm gonna try to walk slow, just in case. Like if there's one of those ones, the orange ones. He's gone. He's gonzo. So look at this. You could like sit up here. It's sick. Super relaxing. That's the thing, man. If you got like a month pass to come here, you know, you can just come in here and lay down. Watch the butterflies. There's one. And there's another one. Let's zoom right in on this guy before we end the video. Look at the zoom on this camera. It's really good. I'm using an S24 Plus to film these videos. The Samsung phone. Cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walking tour here. As some of you guys in the comments have called it a walkie talk. I like that. I like that. Hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment. We're going to be heading up north soon. Do some videos on the way there. And get some other cool videos here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.